Hello, welcome to Vicky Vlog. Hôm nay mình sẽ được Vicky làm vlog về Giáng sinh.
Yay! Jesus! This is the Thai chicken. This is the red curry chicken. This is the white rice. This is the Pokemon. This is Vicky. Okay, so my Black Friday, the only thing that I bought on Black Friday online, finally came. I was gonna wait for my hair to dry, but it was gonna take forever and I was gonna open it no matter what. So anyways, I got from Glossier. So let's see, because they were having a sale. Ta-da! Cool, sticker. I love stickers. Really wanted just their lip balms. So I just got the lavender one. They're like lightly tinted lip balms. Cherry one. Oh well, my sister picked this one, so I got this for her because I'm nice. Then I got the mint one. So this one's colorless. Oh, here's the front. Then I got one of their sets. So I got, this is the blush cloud pink. It's in like a red color. Their mascara. Want to see how that is. And then the brow for my eyebrows. Okay, so here's what the blush looks like. It's literally red. I didn't really expect it to be red. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. New package, and this is just Fuji films. I haven't bought these in so long because they're freaking expensive. But anyways, I brought it because the holidays are coming. I don't really know. So I guess you take this out. It's like a Rice Krispie treat. And I know you're not supposed to touch anything from what I remember, or it damaged the film. Like, see that? Yeah, no touching. Oops. Don't worry, it's a throwaway one. I'm gonna go test it. Merry Christmas. I just want to show the Christmas tree. Anyway, wrapping time. Look at the cute. I got these from Michael's.
Oh yeah, that one.
String, embroidery string for a gift. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Old MacDonald know how to. What's the lyrics? Dashing through the snow in a one-horse omen sleigh. Na 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 na, laughing all the way. Ha 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 ha. OOTD sweater from Etsy. Jacket, North Face, pants from Old Navy, shoes are Converse. OOTD.
My beanie is from Vans. My sweatshirt is from the Nike store.
As in, I want a new jacket and I have nothing else to do, so I'm gonna see if they have a jacket, and you know, whatever the store has, I'll see what I want. I'm looking for hair gel.
Where is hair gel?
I'm getting sick from watching all my shakingness. But that's not hair gel, it was on the other aisle. Also, I haven't been in the beauty aisle in Target, but look how colorful and bright everything is. So I went Christmas shopping and shopping for myself. And all of the sets were 50% off on a Target Circle, so I wanted one. But I just grabbed this lip gloss because there was a drive-up shopper worker behind me. Like literally inches behind me. I can feel them waiting and hearing the mobile phone honking. to grab something random, but don't worry, I put it back. Now I'm gonna look for a gingerbread house. Let's get the class. So the normal gingerbread is like pre-built. That's no fun. So I'm using the new one. Okay, so I found that one. I want to find like the traditional one, so I'm gonna keep looking. We don't want that. Quick haul time, because how do people film? If I don't do one right now, I'm never gonna do it. Okay, so I went to Target, and if you don't have the app saves you a lot of money. But anyways, I got this gingerbread one. I thought this one's cool. I thought it was worth its buck because it came with trees and everything. Hair drill. I got gum. 50% off, so I got this for like $4. Okay, so I didn't find any jacket I liked there. Well, I mean, all the ones I like were like pastels or quarter zip. I want a full zip and like a dark color, so it'd be easier to wear. But it was so packed. Like everyone and their moms were there on a Tuesday at 11. My favorite store, grocery outlet, bargain market, haul time. Okay, no haul, but grocery outlet, favorite. Bargain market. Guys, I just got this paint by number thing. Like I always wanted one. But look how freaking tiny everything is. Anyways, hopefully I finish this. I probably won't finish this within the end of December. Tune into my next vlog if I finish it next month. It literally took me like a minute to do that tiny thing. I probably won't finish this until like 6 months. Just to them early do this. Oh my god, it's so cold. Anyways, let me turn off the radio. I work tomorrow and it's supposed to be like 3 to 4 inches of snow in the morning, so I'm not gonna work tomorrow. Hey, this is coaster Christmas gifts. Also, here's an update. Like 60% done. Like, so you can still see some whiteness. I'm not gonna redo it because I don't really, as a color match everything, that'd be too much work. But from like a distance, like look, like from a distance, nice. Good. It's like -4, and everything's frozen. Woo. It's just a layer of ice. Look, my pumpkin. I can probably just throw this. It would break. Okay, it's too cold. It's raining though. Guys, I just ate shit. Jesus! Oh my fucking shit! I just want to see the road. Okay, it's melting. I work tomorrow, so I'm checking the road. What you do is go down low. I'm going down low because I don't want to. Jesus! I can't even get up! Merry Christmas Eve. I'm not going to work. I tried. I couldn't
the car couldn't go up the hill, nor could I even go downhill without sliding. I couldn't even go up the driveway. So now I'm just, it's like 4 a.m. right now, and I'm trying, no one's answering a text message, which, you know, it's Christmas Eve and it's like 4 in the morning, but still, I just left a message, and now I just have to wait and hope for the best.
Year I do this besides the last 2 years because I just didn't buy any, but I have them from like 5 years ago. So we're gonna do it. Oh, I didn't turn the lights. Happy Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas Eve, and this is the Vicky haul and what she got for Christmas. She's not trying to brag. She's very grateful for all the things she got. Money comes and goes, but you know, it's the experiences that count.
So money goes and goes.
Yes.
But for me, money never comes or goes. Bunch of makeup, claw clip, and then I finally got a bag. Guys, I never had a bag besides like the crossback Lulu, but I don't think that's a bag. And I got 2 flannel. I think I already did a haul, but I can't remember.
You did a haul.
Oh, on your, but I got flannel.
Lots of makeup.
Have yourself. Look, we're making gingerbread houses, cabin. Well, house.
It says lofted cabin. Log cabin.
It's the icing. I love that finger right there. Okay, guys, what's everyone's experience with gingerbread house?
I made one in 5th grade.
Made one in 5th grade.
Nice.
I made out of graham
I
crackers.
made a graham crackers.
Girl, same.
And I like, it's not.
I didn't realize that there was actually
I don't even know if
ginger
there's enough icing.
How many college degrees?
I don't have a degree.
Yeah, 2 of them.
Apparently not 4.
Say something.
Yes.
Say something to your future self.
Hi.
I want to do it.
I did a better job than you.
Go.
There you go.
I'm gonna fall.
I think that was my architecture.
What do you mean? You don't do this in architect?
No, but it's just a thing. You know what I mean to say? You know what you should use instead? I see people use
Hot
silicone.
glue.
Hot glue.
Wait, hold it.
Alright, the sides. Put it up now. Let's go buy another one right
What's
now.
even open?
Target.
It's because you eat.
So? Things are open.
What do you mean? The candy will make it pretty?
No. That's what I said.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll make it pretty right here.
Maybe we should use the supports. Oh, is this one of the supports for the ceiling?
I don't
Maybe
know.
that's for the tree, the Christmas tree stand.
Don't worry, guys. I'm adding snow.
Here you go. Here you go. And here you go.
Stupid ass bitch.
I don't care.
With blush. Okay, guys, ready for the grand reveal?
Maybe you.
Ready?
I did that.
Bitch. Bum bum. Bum bum. Bum bum. What?
Hey, don't spit it too fast.
Snowman. Cute.
Don't spit it
How
too
cute.
fast. The ball fell off.
Hey, I want to try the graham cracker.
Hi MTV, welcome to my crib. This is Gingerbready Worldland. So in the front we have 2 big trees that protects. It gives us shade in the day. And we have my door. Then we have a Christmas tree because you know we're in the spirit. Then we got a light. So, and then this side, unfortunately the roofing job wasn't done yet. We couldn't afford it all, so it's still
In this economy.
And then that. What? I didn't do that. And then right here, unfortunately, we couldn't afford extra wood, so we could only make it to that much.
Supply chain.
And yeah, supply chain issues. And then we had this is our mascot, Snowy the Snowman. And then we have some lights. These are some lights, so Santa knows where to go to park his reindeer right here, and then he goes down the beautiful chimney. That's too big. That's too dimensional. Where's the other side?
We did outside. No one did outside. This is before. My length is right here. I want to go like collarbone length. Like I want a short. Cause I haven't. It's been literally a year since I cutted it.
Last Christmas too, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully you guys don't get migraine.
Okay, so I did do my middle part. I fixed that as close as I can. And it's not that, it's gonna be simple because my hair is literally, like this is, look, I'm literally balding. But I just learned that hair down here, you lose faster. Because it's just, yeah, I saw that too. Okay, I wanna do this short. And I might wanna do some side stuff to frame it. You know, this line is perfect.
Yeah.
Cute! Cute! Yes, more.
Oh, short. I don't know. That's
No,
good.
it's perfect! Yeah. Like, look, see how easy I can cut because I have no hair? Guys, I think I just lost 2 pounds.
Wait, are you seeing shade?
Yeah, I'm saying.
Okay, now look. Wait, can you like brush your hair through it again?
There's some like loose pieces. Oh my god, look at cute. Cute.
I'm gonna
do
cut
my
this.
mofo hair. Oh, I was like, what's on my hair? It's freaking in my cutted hair. Guys, my hair. My hair's gone.
I feel like you like short hair, don't you?
I like, it depends on my mood because I really like the long hair and then I was like, I'm done.
Make it slanted out. Oh, yeah.
Now, this one, you twist it. So I can go like this to be easier.
Oh.
I am not even seeing what's even.
Dude, you just cut.
Guys, I've been doing this since like elementary
I
school.
gave myself bangs in the pandemic, remember?
Oh my god, I need to cut this one shorter.
Short?
We blend.
Now put your hair down. Down.
Cute, right?
I think you need
Shorter?
to blend it a bit more.
Oh, so I need to add more hair?
Let me just get myself bangs right now.
Well, now you can't, because no one's quarantined anymore, so you can't hide from the public. But you can always put a headband.
You cut your hair back.
What's up, cut?
Did you fuck up?
No, I never mess up, guys.
Oh, Nancy does. Whatever happened to Nancy, I lost all trust.
Whatever happened to the milk my
You
kid?
were the one that made it worse than it should.
Okay, I think I'm done.
I just like making fun of you.
Hello, welcome to Vicky Vlog. Hôm nay mình sẽ được Vicky làm vlog về Giáng sinh.
Yay!
Okay.
Happy December 26th, Christmas observation day. Observance. All time, soapfish, iced tea, and felting needle. Stickers, needle in a notebook. Hi guys, on today's taste test we're trying Voice matcha chocolate bar.
You got the wrapper, bro.
I don't really like matcha. I do like the texture though. And I also like the color green. So +2. 5 out of 10.
I'm trying Roy's green chocolate, green tea matcha crispy.
It's community chocolate.
Rate it. 10. Oh, there's like, I would say like 6 out of 10. It tastes like Rice Krispie, but like Kit Kat flavor.
I too will be trying it.
Here, show you my washing machine got stuck.
I don't like matcha chocolate.
Your wash machine.
5 out of 10.
Jump.
Oh.